How to change language in Excel. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can change language in Excel. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So as you can see right here, my Excel is currently on Arabic and I want to change it back to English. So this is what we do. So first tap on the file option that is on the top right here, but normally it's on the top left. After you tap on it on the right hand side, which is again normally on the left hand side, on the bottom you'll find an option, this one. It is called options. So tap on options, and after you tap on options, this should open up. You'll need to head over to the sixth option, that is languages. So first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. So after you're here, you'll need to select another language from here. So all you have to do is tap on English. Now, if you have not yet installed English, you'll need to tap on this option, that is add language, and search for English and then install it. So simply search for English here, tap on install, and it will install English. After you install English, select in English and then select the second option right here. After doing that, it will change English to the first language. You can do the same for your Windows, Microsoft Windows option as well. If you do that, it will just change it to the first language. Then tap on this option. Then it will have to restart your Excel. So simply close your Excel. And after you close your Excel, open it up again. After you open up your Excel, there you go. Now you have changed your language in Excel. And that's how you do it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.